Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process of getting started with Freshdesk, an incredible customer service platform designed to streamline your team's operations and boost productivity. If you're new to Freshdesk or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this powerful tool. Freshdesk is a robust customer service software that helps businesses manage and improve their customer support processes. With an array of features such as ticketing, collaboration tools, automation, help widgets, and more, Freshdesk is designed to make customer service operations smoother and more efficient. It also serves as a comprehensive customer relationship management (CRM) platform, enabling you to manage customer interactions and track issues from start to finish. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through getting started with Freshdesk. You'll see how to navigate the interface, set up the ticketing system, and get the most out of key features to optimize your workflow. The first step is simple: sign up for Freshdesk. You'll just need to register with your email address, and once you do, you'll gain access to a 21-day free trial of Freshdesk's premium version. After registration, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel that will serve as your central hub. From here, you can access various sections like tickets, contacts, companies, social channels, solutions, forms, reports, analytics, and admin settings. These sections are all key to managing customer interactions and staying organized. One of the core features of Freshdesk is its powerful ticketing system. As you might know, managing tickets effectively is essential for providing timely customer support. Freshdesk offers a flexible, user-friendly system to handle customer inquiries with ease. Once you enter the Tickets section, you'll find yourself in the All Tickets view, where you can see a list of all incoming tickets. At the top of this screen, there are multiple views that let you filter tickets based on various criteria. For example, you can view tickets by their status, like assigned tickets, unresolved tickets, tickets you've raised, tickets you're watching, and even archived tickets. These different views will help you prioritize your work and ensure that you stay on top of all active inquiries. Freshdesk makes it easy to import your existing tickets into the system. You can import them via CSV or Excel files, or use an integrated system to transfer tickets directly. This is particularly useful if you're transitioning from another platform and want to keep all your customer data organized in one place. Creating a new ticket in Freshdesk is straightforward. Simply click the New button located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you can create a ticket from scratch. If you want to save time, Freshdesk also offers ticket templates. These templates can help you quickly generate tickets for common issues, such as refunds or technical support requests. Here's how you can create a ticket. First, you'll need to enter the contact information, either by adding a new contact or selecting an existing one. You can also include a CC if you'd like other people to be notified about the ticket. Additionally, you can link the ticket to a company. By associating a contact with a company, it becomes easier to track the issue and understand which company is involved. Once the contact is added, you'll fill in the subject of the ticket type, and its source. For example, let's say the ticket was created via email. Select Email as the source. From here, you'll set the ticket status, such as Open, and assign a priority level. Freshdesk allows you to create custom groups such as Billing, Customer Support, and Escalations, so you can direct the ticket to the right team right away. If needed, you can assign a specific agent to handle the ticket, ensuring that the right person is on the case. Freshdesk provides you with more customization options as you proceed. You can add detailed descriptions and use tags to categorize the ticket. If you've selected a template like Initiate a Refund, the description will automatically populate, which speeds up the process and ensures consistency. You can also create and save multiple templates for different use cases, saving you even more time in the future. Once you've created a ticket, it will be displayed in either card view or table view. In both views, you'll see key details like status, group, and priority, so you can easily track and manage tickets. Closed tickets will appear translucent, allowing you to focus on the open tickets that still need attention. Freshdesk also gives you powerful filtering options, allowing you to filter tickets by agent, group, priority, and status. This level of control makes it easy to organize your tickets based on what matters most, whether it's unresolved tickets, high-priority requests, or tickets related to specific companies. Freshdesk's reporting and analytics tools are essential for tracking your team's performance and pinpointing areas for improvement. The Reports section provides a detailed overview of important metrics such as agent performance, ticket lifecycle, response times, and timesheet summaries. This is particularly useful if you're paying agents hourly or need to assess their productivity, as it gives you valuable insights into how efficiently your team is working and where adjustments might be needed to boost efficiency. While Freshdesk offers a free version with core features, including email and social ticketing, ticket dispatch, a knowledge base, and team collaboration, there are also paid plans tailored for businesses that need more advanced capabilities. The Growth Plan, priced at $15 per agent per month, unlocks essential features such as automation, SLA, service level agreement management, and custom ticket views to help streamline workflows. The Pro Plan, priced at $49 per agent per month, builds upon this with custom roles, advanced reporting, and customizable dashboards, offering deeper insights into your operations. For larger enterprises with more complex needs, the Enterprise Plan at $79 per agent per month includes high-end features like sandbox environments for testing, audit logs, and more sophisticated automation tools. Overall, Freshdesk strikes a great balance between price and functionality, making it one of the most affordable customer relationship management (CRM) and support desk solutions available. It provides a feature set comparable to higher-end competitors like Jira, but at a fraction of the cost. For most businesses, the Growth Plan offers more than enough features to meet their customer service and CRM needs without the additional expense of premium options. That wraps up today's guide on how to get started with Freshdesk. Whether you're looking to elevate your team's customer support capabilities or implement a more efficient ticketing system, Freshdesk is a powerful, user-friendly solution. I hope this video has helped you understand the basics and start leveraging Freshdesk to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching.